post up in the sun so you can see them a little better if they're gonna come. You can get to see the geese pretty good from here over here too. There's one on my head.
Oh yeah, there is.
Oh, right on the camera. Shall we continue?
Oh, he went the wrong direction. It's over there now. Oh, maybe he's coming around this way.
You want some really bad. Circling around. Come on down and have some. Hmm? Come on. Come on. You'll be okay. Hmm? You can do it. Playing squirrels. Let's go. What's going on here?
A few moments later.
Natural though, isn't it?
No, somebody stacked all that there. Samsquatch.
It's a Samsquatch. Get out of here.
Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. Hello. Ojaba. Not sure what it is lately, but it's sometimes a struggle to remember what it is that brings joy.
Yeah.
And that brings me joy, just having them eat up.
Birds do that to you, man.
Yeah.
It feels good to have something so delicate sitting on you.
Yes, yeah.
I could do that royal wave.
Yeah.